Shah claim, aliens have been discovered living here on Earth. Alien communities have been established here on Earth, and they are thriving, according to a story circulating among UFO conspiracists. The beings claim to be party of the so-called Pleiadian race, a mythological species of humanoid described in UFO circles as being Nordic or Scandinavian in appearance. The biggest base, according to Inexplicata, the Journal of Hispanic Ufology, is just under 70 miles from mountainous Salta in northwest Argentina. Local news outlets in Salta reported claims there are now about 30 of these communities in Argentina and further afield, where the occupants claim to have reached the end of an evolutionary cycle. Inexplicata reported, between the communities of Cachi and La Palma, along Route 40, can be found a Pleiadian base whose occupants claim to be the embodiment of extraterrestrial beings from some distant corner of the universe. Amid messages and entreaties to return to primitive simplicity, the residents claim having reached this northern Argentinian province to herald the end of an evolutionary cycle. The main base is allegedly remotely hidden away behind gates and down meandering paths. Inexplicata added, the homestead, little more than hills and blocks, is hidden in the vegetation. Upon arrival, a bell dangling from a post allows visitors to make their presence known. There is little recorded material on the site, but in a recent interview, the Pleiadians welcomed the reporter with the following disconcerting statement, "We were expecting you. Our brothers of light told us you would be coming." The reports in Salta said there was one other base in that province at Cafayate. One version of the story was released with a picture of what looked like a museum waxwork figure, prompting people to call the whole thing an elaborate hoax. But the myth of the Pleiadians being on Earth stretches much further than Argentina. There are several websites devoted to the subject and even how you can tell them apart from humans. They are said to come from the Pleiades, a star cluster around 400 light-years away in the Taurus constellation, which is only 150 million years old. Scott C. Waring of UFOSightsDaily.com said the aliens were here to try to save us from our sleeves. He said, the Pleiadians are known as Nordic aliens and are humanoid-like aliens that come from the stellar systems surrounding the Pleiades stars. They are very concerned about Earth and our future. Some believers even argued both the Scandinavian and Native American races are actually descendants of the Pleiadians, said to have come from the planet Era, which orbits the star Centauri or Tejas. Scandinavian and darker-skinned Pleiadians are tall, slim and beautiful-looking, according to believers. UFO legend has it that the Pleiadians themselves are descended from another older race of beings on a planet called Lyra in a galaxy outside the Milky Way.